Ichia ario menino dwe piario wi abero dwe mabor mo atutumia rie piario wi angwen utela Lira City itetela Resident City Commissioner Lira City Lawrence Golem karshel kero tela roma popat medical moted dere ame teru dere boma Lira kan binu katu ke moka ni do ngatwali pe binu tedu dere ikin pachi mano binu weho binu katu ke moka ni ngatu ken yaku chiario nasham mo binu nwongo dok tiyo teru dere ikin chalo ubinu makko kom ento ichia ngwen burde piario wa bongwen medwe me abor mo atut me piario wa ngwen ena yedorim law enforcement officer Lira City obinu chopi ko morka chel adit ameti dok nuo adotie ne nuo cha pok dok der ko ikin chalu iyo potor man kono obinu ma ko nywala rio melo Kenya doko tiyo chwalo ko atira Lira City West Division Central Police Station kinjo amo mahoti ye Musa Mateka ameobeda pug morka karshel kre Michael Kariuki Dushu gindoti tegwa ka polisi Simba omule senior law enforcement officer Lira City komni uchako potor man pironiang joken do ting pe tidako ye lobo mo kame okatu kede ni manano pe chat derekin pachu
gini o nyuti kana ti gazete ero politi me chat gini kana chon to tindu tikudien o ma ko jo ya Kenya gino kero molasses so report waranu tadero go RCC team and tani police kerja ruan mako bi ba ko jo areo kutoka and then joken obino waje ko bad jemi tingo molasses gitu jo to kello and defini o pitalo ge ko
Job Elok Senior as Inspector Lira City East Division Detective New Teder ayaw miyo engage man umiyo potor man warabem
on the molasses dealers who are not following the instruction by the office of the RCC not to do their distribution within the household, which we have stopped people from doing in order to promote sanitation and hygiene and stop public health risk that exposes people to a number of conditions. So we want to bring sanity to Lira City with the immediate effect. So this truck here is one of the trucks that was confiscated when they were distributing molasses in the community.
Look, umede ni marino dango limi chwil ni jomogo dok tiame aliwidem aliwida karshel kere chato dera pigi di woret ni jomagi dusum bino da mako game.
Our enforcement team is now on alert, so and the team is ready, and our intelligence team are already in the field to ensure in case such teams are found in the community, they should be arrested and brought to book.
Job Belok Senior Health Inspector Lira City East Division ote kwenyor ko se jo amedong okwabo chato derge ko kwanyikin pache dwak ikulum me pedok te matwali me duogo dere ikin pacho. Pi radio QFM Bobson Opio.